when we lose. Let us not insult each other or gloat unnecessarily over the others. We are all one in one nation called Kenya. We must also recognize that Kenya achieved elections Bila noma, which was our rallying call over the last year. It is through the efforts of many local and international partners that this was possible together with the people of Kenya. Following the same pace, we must now accept a presidential election results Bila noma, just as we have seen multiple results being accepted and various leaders conceding defeat. It is this kind of acceptance that we need moving forward. Indeed, we commend every leader who has peacefully accepted defeat, as well as those who are seeking legal redress peacefully. We urge all of us to keep the peace and to remember that just as each vote counts, so that does each one's contribution count to keeping peace. We all are brothers and sisters, and Kenya needs us to remain so, no matter our political inclination. God bless you, and God bless Kenya. Thank you. That is the NCIC statement. We know that you are under pressure to go and do your work elsewhere, but if there is a question or two, we can entertain that before we close this conference. Okay, there being no question, thank you very much, and we wish you a good day, and we all stay calm.
Good, Ocean.